This is the fifth and final video of this series that concludes in a detailed trend forecast for the gold price for the whole of the remainder of 2018. However, the whole of this analysis was first made available to patrons who support my work. So to get immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. In formulating a trend forecast for the gold price, then the overall impression I'm getting from my analysis is that the gold price rally off the mid-August low is not as strong as it first appeared to be. And the performance in seasonal terms is leaning toward negative outcomes, whilst the technical picture is again weak. And Elliott Waves is saying that the gold price is in a bear market, and throw in the US dollar and well, that's the proverbial nail in gold's coffin for the bull run to the 2018 highs. So sorry to all the gold bugs out there, but this analysis is not resolving in a positive outcome. Why are the technicals so bearish? Well, there must be a number of fundamentals weighing down on the gold price, such as the relative strength of the US economy, stock market, and of course, rising US interest rates, which are a negative for the gold price. All this whilst the gold bugs focused on just the positives such as rising inflation, when instead they should be looking at real terms interest rates. In terms of trend, mid-September into October should be strong. Beyond that, it's probably bearish into mid-November with some light relief for December. So I'm just not seeing a setup that's conducive towards gold getting anywhere near its earlier 2018 high of 1369. At best, the gold price has made a bottom for the year and will trend sideways between $1,200 and $1,260. At worst, it's going to resume its downtrend and make new lows for 2018 by hitting a painful 1050. So the gold price is definitely not shouting buy me. In fact, it's looking rather risky, i.e. the risk versus reward is not good. Therefore, my forecast conclusion for the most probable direction for the gold price for the remainder of 2018 is for the gold price to rally into October, targeting a trend towards 1260, at which point it is most likely to retrace most of this rally into mid-November. That will set the scene for a relief rally of sorts during December. That is unlikely to see the gold price rally to a high much above 1240. Now, consider the downside risks of a resumption of the bear market south of 1165, on break of which the gold price will probably trade down to 1050. Then the risk versus reward is just not there to jump onto the gold bandwagon at this point in time. If the best it's likely to deliver is a sideways trend with a mild upward bias against the risks of new 2018 lows. So I know the gold bugs won't want to hear this, but in my opinion, buying gold at this point in time is just not worth the risk. Not unless you plan to hold for the long term. And do subscribe to this YouTube channel for my next series of videos that will seek to conclude in a trend forecast for silver. However, the whole of that analysis will be first made available to patrons who support my work. So to get immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month.